Benefits of garlic water. How to make garlic water. Welcome to Home Remedies. We provide videos on a wide range of health topics. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you will never miss any of our updates. In today's video we look at the benefits of garlic and explain how to make healthy garlic water drink. Consuming garlic and water every morning on an empty stomach is very beneficial for overall health. Garlic is used widely as a flavoring in cooking. But it has also been used as a medicine throughout ancient and modern history. It has been taken to prevent and treat a wide range of conditions and diseases. Garlic is widely used for several conditions linked to the blood system and heart, including atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, high cholesterol, heart attack, coronary heart disease, and hypertension. Garlic is rich in vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, folate, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and zinc. This combination of having raw garlic and water helps you detoxify your body. Garlic is a great alternative to detoxify your body. It clears your body of all the harmful toxins and prevents diseases like diabetes, depression, and different types of cancers too. Garlic provides relief from the stubborn cold and flu. Consuming garlic on a daily basis helps to lower cholesterol levels because of the antioxidant properties of allicin, which will lower the risk of heart disease. Garlic contains antioxidants that protect against cell damage and aging. It reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Digestive problems improve with having garlic in the diet. Garlic benefits the intestines and reduces inflammation. Those who suffer from diabetes observe their blood sugar levels regulates on the consumption of garlic. Because of a high amount of antioxidants, garlic protects the body against lung, prostate, bladder, stomach, liver and colon cancer. Garlic reduces the expression of genes responsible for the formation of adipose cells which store fat and leads to weight loss. Ingredients: 3 cups water, 3 garlic cloves, cut in half, 1/2 cup honey, 1/2 cup fresh lemon juice. Directions: in a saucepan, bring 3 cups of water and the 3 cloves of garlic to a boil. Turn off the heat when the water boils, and add 1/2 cup of the honey and 1/2 cup of the fresh lemon juice. Strain. Sip 1/2 cup, warm, 3 times a day. Considerations: make sure that the garlic you consume is fresh. Don't drink too much of it as it can be negative for your body. You should not use garlic if you are allergic to it. If you are on medication, consult with your doctor before consuming garlic water. We hope you found this information useful. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you would like to see any video in particular, please comment below. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon.